John lives in London in a nice house with a big garden. He has 20 cats in his beautiful garden, and every morning he counts his cats. 1 cat, 2 cats, 3 cats, 4 cats, 20 cats. One morning, John counted 21 cats. "Oh no," he said. "I have 21 cats. What do I do now?" He began to think and think and think again and again. "I have a problem. I don't know what to do with cat number 21. I know. I will eat cat number 21, he thought to himself. This will solve my problem. If I eat cat number 21, I will have 20 cats again. That evening, John cooked the cat and ate it for dinner. He was happy again. Now I only have 20 cats. The next morning, John went to his garden to count his cats, but the cats were gone. Well, where are my 20 cats? Oh no, who ate my cats?